Okay, it's episode 14, and welcome to Build a Chat App with Socket.io and jQuery. And I think that's the first time where I actually read it the way it is. I mean, I wrote it, so it's not like I don't know what it says. Well, in part 14, watch, I'll hit refresh, it's going to change. Bash bugs and refactor, because there's some refactoring we got to do. It's not done till it's done. Okay, so you remember that file I made of bugs? Off screen, I added a few more bugs. We've hit like the climax of what we're doing, and I thought, you know what? They don't need to watch something as trivial as adding a bug, but they can watch me fix it. And then it'll be next time, part 15, that we deploy this to Heroku. All right, let's start. So here's the bugs. We got that red border. How are we going to fix that? Let's go to app.js and let's go to index.html, Command F, border. We found it 5 times. I could just hit replace all. That was a nice try. Command Z, escape, Command Z. I am going to erase these manually. Delete, 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 Command S. And you notice what branch I'm on? I'm on master. Oops. That's all right. No, it's not. No, it's not. But I'm going to commit what I just made. Git add dot. Git commit dash m. Oops. Again. Git checkout dash b bug bash. Okay, let's get over here. Git checkout dash b bug bash. Okay, now we're okay. All right. Index.html, also in app.js, Command F, border, border, find. I do want to get rid of that one. Delete, delete. Find the next one. Delete, delete. Oh, find the next one. Delete, delete. And find the next one. Delete, delete. Command S. Okay, that was the borders, those red borders. I also could have just left the class there and gone to the CSS and just made that class not exist anymore, but that seemed like not the proper way to do it. Do you remember that there was another bug? It was a bug where square avatars. Okay, I'm going to put an X here. I'm not going to erase it because I want to come back and it's not fixed, so I'll keep it there. Square avatars. What was happening is that the parent element of those avatars was not containing the image inside of them. So we just need to find, I switched over to the server, we need to find that what that element was, and we need to just change the CSS to make the overflow none. So what was that element? Element, not elephant. Post sent message. This was on display avatars, was that it? Display avatars, inside of image wrapper, we have this image. So on the image wrapper, Command C, let's go to the main CSS, Command F, and Command V on image wrapper. We found one, escape. We're gonna put overflow hidden. All right, so let's just check this out real quick. We're going to light server. And we're going to do Notamon. And where did I put that? Oh, I'll put it right here. Round avatars and no red borders. That's what we wanted. Next thing I want to do is watch. I'm going to hit enter. Well, okay, that wasn't what I wanted to show you. Okay, see, he just sent nothing. He sent nothing. Nothing. Well, that's not cool. So I really kind of want a border around this. I'm going to inspect this while I'm here. And that thing was called the avatar wrapper. Around the avatar wrapper, I am going to put a border, but a black border. Avatar wrapper, Control F, Control F, Command F. Avatar wrapper, find it. We're going to give you a border of 1px solid black. Okay, and then the other thing we were checking out is when we send that message that has nothing in it, how can we fix that? Well, in app.js, if event, we can send something. We can post a message after, okay, if we're active, and if this is 13, and let's take this out of here. Command X, and let's put it right here. Command V. And let's see if we can see how long that message is. Console.log, that's the first time I've done that. Message, Command C, Command V dot LEN ENGTH. Let's see if they'll let us do that. Refresh this, go to the console, and oh, well, it's keeping track of how long it is before I even do it, so it definitely lets us do it. See, like if I hit S. Okay, so what we're going to do here is, so I took the message out of there, which is going to sort of dovetail into another one of my refactors. I take the message out of here, and I can say, I'm going to keep this, Command C, and so we're going to give it a new condition. You got to be active, you got to hit enter, and the message length has to be greater than 0. Command S, let's go over here. I'm going to pick Black Widow, and I'm going to hit P. Oh, well, that's not greater than 0. Okay. I don't know if that worked or not. I'm going to refresh it. P, enter. Oh, I didn't select anybody. Wow. Black Panther. Enter, enter, enter. Wow. It says my length is 1. Because I was console longing the message.length. It was greater than 1. Nick. Oh. I can't believe I did that. I don't, okay. There's nothing here now, so if I hit enter, 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 what's it doing? Okay. Let message equal that dot trim. What dot trim does is it gets rid of all white space around it. So if there is a, and I can put this back to 0, because there's something here happening with white space, I think. That's my only. Thor, click it, but don't type anything in and hit enter. 0, 0, 0, 0. Now you hit W, enter. And now I'm going to hit enter, 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 enter. Okay, I'm happy with that. So let's go to our bug page. I think we got rid of the square avatars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can send an empty string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some pictures are not rendering. Well, that was something I was looking into. I was looking into that. Look at there, Spider-Man. I fixed it not in front of you, but all I did was I just went and I got some more of these. That's it. That is a bug. Because, I've been using all these guys, and I put these at the end. Wow, there's something that we didn't talk about. So this is a new bug, and I don't know what's causing it. I'm going to inspect right here. Like, shouldn't there be something right there? I'm inspecting it. It's an image. There's an image there. Okay. So I'm going to fix this bug. Somehow it pushed an image there that doesn't belong there. So where do we push those in? I'm going to go to app.js and remember, well, that's the backend. This is the backend where we push those things in. Avatars.push URL. Let URL. I'm going to say .trim. So actually, I'll just do this over here where we make it. I'm going to trim off everything there. There is data.trim. Okay, this is where we make that. And actually, I'm not going to push. So where I have URL here, I'm just going to refactor this. I'm going to hit Command X, and I'm just going to put it in there as a refactor. That's an extra line we don't need. But right here, I'm going to put a Command V. So we got rid of a line, yay! But I might be back because I'm going to use this in a conditional. Command C. If Command V dot length is greater than 0, then go ahead and do this. Command X, Command V. If that, because it looks like we're pushing in something with no length. I don't know. This might not fix it, and honestly, since I didn't plan on this one, I might not. This might be all I do. This might be all I do. If it doesn't work, unless something occurs to me like magically. Okay, so we got all those. Nice. Console. Connection refused. That would make sense if I crashed it. Socket ID dot length is greater than 0. Can't the length of that. It says you can't do that. Well, let URL equal. We'll just go right back to here. Command X, Command V, Command C, Command V. So what I did is I said, let's make URL equal that. I know I can go URL.length. And if we're going to do URL there, then I think it's more readable just to go with what we had here, URL. Does the server like that? Yes, it does. And let's see if that fixed these problems here. Refresh. I'm just going to choose a lot of these, and then I'm going to scroll down to see what it looks like. So it should be putting these at the bottom. And is it appending them straight to the bottom? Yeah, there they are. All right. Well, I'm going to leave it. But, ooh, you saw what I just did there. Get it one last time. That's probably not the last time. So back on the front end, we got our bugs file. You see, I had some pictures are not rendering. Post sent message. Okay, this is on the front end. It's just something that's can be. I'm just going to refactor the front end, but I'm going to start with this right here. In app.js, I'm gonna cut and paste this here. I'm gonna bring it up here, Command X, and I'm gonna bring it right under this post message, Command V, because this one is calling this. Okay, in here we have something that says let message equal this, and then I copy that line and I put it here, and then so this does that, but it doesn't need to because it's all this is really doing is this line right here. So what if we did this instead? Just Command X, Command V, and then this just goes away. Now that sounds great. Let's get rid of this link. Let's get rid of that too. Let's get rid of that too. Just gotta make sure we didn't crash anything. Let's get a second one. Second new window, default, command ++ cd chatvatars and light server. Remember, by running light server again, it opens it on a different port. This is port 3002. So this one, which I'm going to detach, you know what I should have done first is so now I gotta do this twice. Gotta go like this, and then I gotta go like this, like this way. Then I gotta get them on the same page. So you're over here. Let me put you with them. You can go over to here. So weird. Just because you're already there, I'll put you over here. Okay. All right. So, notice how no one has any of these. That means something I just did looks like it crashed it. I crashed it. URL.length is greater than 0. It does not like URL.length. Okay. It's funny because I swear I ran it after that, but maybe I didn't. So let's go to the back end. I'll just cut that out. I'm going to go back to this. Ooh, Command Z. I don't want to cut this line out. Delete. Delete. But what I will cut out, I am going to put this here, and I'm not going to use push. And I'm going to push Command C, Command V, Command S. Please work. Okay. Dink. Dink. Dink, dink. Okay. Hi, Loki. God. Hi, Loki. Enter. What did I just do? Did I hit refresh? Later. Remind me tomorrow. Thor, and Black Widow. Thor says up. And Black Widow says nada. Okay. Sorry, I don't know what I hit over there. My fingers, I'm a really bad typer. I don't look at the screen. I don't even know where to look at. I look at my fingers, but then I look at, I don't know. If you ever find a worse typer than me, it's because they're dead. But anyway, that seems to be working so far. Wrong one. Let's go to this one. Go to the bugs. I'm going to, so that one, we're refactoring. There's more refactoring that we can do, and this is on the front end. Back to app.js. even in the same one I was at, okay, here I have this let element equal this. Otherwise, do this and let message equal that. Well, it's the same thing as what's an element here. So I'm going to hit Command C and I'm going to hit Command V. I remember when I made that, I was so proud of me making it a jQueryized thing. Command V, but it's jQueryized. It doesn't even matter. But now when I do a prepend, I do it twice. I do it here and I do it there. Well, Command X. Either way, it happens. So I'm only going to do it once instead of writing it twice, because it either happens here or it happens here. So I took it out of this one. And now what I could do is, since this is the only thing inside of this, I could get rid of the squigglies, but that's really not how I roll. Okay, this chatter thing, we have a chatter.avatar, chatter.message, but we never use this chatter.message. We could have, but we didn't. We only use chatter.avatar, so why don't we just have something called avatar and say let avatar equal, let avatar equal empty string. And if we do that, we got to change all our chatters just to avatar. So Control F, Command F, chatter, find. And they're all, I hope they all say chatter.avatar, otherwise I'll be doing some Control Z's. Well, this one has avatar, avatar. That means I could just go like this because they're the same. This is just going to be avatar. Come on, where's the next one? Chatter.avatar. Delete. And this one is chatter added, so that's staying. That's not chatter.avatar. If that crashed something, we will figure it out really quick. If we go over here, we have to have Command Option I, have one of these open, so it'll give us something like, I don't know what you're saying anymore. What? Element is not defined. App.js line 46. I think I did that. What did I just hit? What did I hit? Okay. Oh, I think I want to hit this. Console. Okay. So, app.js 46. App.js. Oh, so retarded. App.js. And this was something I just changed. Line 46. It says element doesn't exist. It doesn't? Well, this says this, and that says that. So it does exist. But what this might be thinking is it does not exist. Because it sees the, let's see if maybe it's just not smart enough. Okay. That's not what I want to do. Okay, let's try it again. This guy says, okie doke. So what happened was, it knew it had to prepend element, but element isn't defined, doesn't exist until inside of this if statement. You know what I think I could have done? Check this out. Var and var. And let's get rid of this. So I want to eliminate as many lines as I can. If this works, I'll tell you what I did. If it doesn't, I'll just Control Z it. Shrink Drax. Yeah, it's definitely not what I wanted to do. Why is that happening twice? Holy cow. That part where I hit Command Z, that's what's going to happen. But you're probably dying to know, what was I thinking? Okay, the difference between let and var. var has bigger scope than let. So let only has scope between here and here and here and here. In fact, I need to go like this. Dink, dink, dink. Oh, commands. No, that's not. Since I say let element here, I do not need to say the let here. I need to take it away. So this let has scope between here and here. That is why this wasn't seen before. Message wrapper dot pre. Okay, sorry. Command Z, 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 Command. I'm going to go back and Command Z. Oh, no, it's Command Y, Command Y. Oh, this is horrible. Command Y, Command Z. Okay, we're doing the vars again. Doing the vars. Message wrapper dot pre. I doing it twice still. I still have it in here. So the fact that I saw it there twice made total sense. Iron Man, that guy, this guy says, and then this guy says. Okay, so that the lesson there was the scope of var. Var has scope from here to here at least. If you just name something and don't put anything in there, it almost makes it a global variable. But I'm not going to test that right now. On with the bugs. I am not done refactoring this. I can go, okay. So I'm in the server side. I do not need this. And this white space I don't want. And you know I hate this. I've said it like 100 times. I'm going to have it be the very first thing. And these things go under it. This way, so to read it, you don't have to, you can ignore this part. I'll leave this white space so it looks like it wants to be ignored. Was there anything else I had? I don't think there was. Okay, this didn't kill us. Next thing on the bug bash. So we did that. Server, I did this. And message should be scrollable. Currently, it just scrunches. Yeah, this one is a real problem. And I did figure it out. I don't really know. So you just watch what happens. I want these to scroll off. But it doesn't. This nasty thing happens. It just scrunches them in. It'll do that forever. That's because we had it. Originally, we had it where I would align these with the right, align these boxes, which you can't see anymore because we got rid of the borders. And but we did that differently. We used Flexbox to do that. And I forget what our reason was, but it was a good reason. But now we need to do it differently. And if you saw what I had in here, I did not pick an easy route to do this, Command C. If I don't, Flexbox, I remember what it was now. Flexbox, we use Flexbox to make these things start at the bottom because they just wanted to start at the top. So I said, well, I can make them start at the bottom of Flexbox. But then what I took away when I made this a Flex container right here is I took away the left and right align. So what was this thing called? Inspect. This was the message wrapper. And did I make it a flexor? Where did I make it a flexor? I probably did it right in the HTML. So we're looking at the main CSS, the message wrapper, display flex. I'm going to just comment it out. And the flex direction row reverse. Okay. So now I made a mess of it. When I refresh it, You can't see it yet because I need to send messages. Oh, but before I send messages, I gotta choose somebody. Okay, it's up on the top. Well, I really want to start at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate this whole thing around. And that might sound a little drastic, and I'm not saying you're wrong. Command V. Rotated 180 degrees. Now this creates another interesting little problem. Let's get some more obvious letters. The letters are upside down, and Loki is upside down. So what I'm gonna, and he's on the wrong side. Remember, I'm gonna spin him upside down. So he's gonna go back here. So what was his class? This is Avatar Mini. And Avatar Mini. Let's do it on this side because there's more room. Oh, I have put these guys upside down. What did I just make upside down? So I think, when I inspected this, what did I make? Messages wrapper. Okay, I turned the wrong thing upside down. Dang it. Avatar image. Avatar Mini. That's what I want to do. Okay. Yep, they're back. Close that. Close that. Black Widow. I choose you. Doctor Strange. Okay, so the letter is still upside down. Like if I say 44444, yeah. Oh, it's because I also need to flip. I could flip the container element of this, and that would be great. But then this would go over here. I want to flip this and then separately flip this. What is this? That's the div. Inside of the div, there's the image. I flip that. It's this p tag. I didn't give that a class, but I'm going to give it a class. And that class is going to be, here that p tag is. But if I flip this p tag, then this nasty message is also a p tag. So I'm going to make this called .flipme. And I'm going to do that right in there. Okay, and then I'm going to add this class to this p tag, which was in our app.js, which was right here. It was the p, yeah. Flip me. Crazy. You're you, Spider-Man. Hello, Spider-Man. This flipped. Something bad just happened. I'm going to totally undo what I just did. Okay, because that was the sent message. Well, that was where I have it posting to myself. Thor, Ant-Man. This thing needs to flip around. Why is this one flipping? What is this flipping for? because that's the, what did I make? What did I tell the flip? Let's look at the CSS. I'm going too fast. Flip me. This isn't doing anything. Avatar Mini. What is Avatar Mini? Is it a picture or is it... I thought this was an image. And what I wanted to flip was flip me. If this guy sends the message, nothing over here should flip. Why is this flipping? What is this that flipped? Inspect. And that is a p tag. It's a p tag. Ooh, here's Avatar Mini. The image has the class of p. I flipped that. I should not have picked Avatar Mini to flip. Nope, not at all. What I should pick is, wait for it, wait for it. This is Avatar Mini, but then I use Avatar Mini down here too. And I do want to flip them both. This p tag needs flipped. Okay. Command V. Flip me. Flip that guy. But also, where's the other Avatar Mini? I'm all excited. I figured it out, but I gotta find this. Also flip this guy, because they both gotta flip. Flip that guy around. Okay. Also, this receive message and the send message, we want to do left to right and right to right. Okay, I'm happy now. It's making sense. Close you. You're Nick. You're Gamora. You're just on the wrong sides. So I just have to do left align the received message, right align the sent message, and then that bug is bashed. And sent message, text align, I don't know, left? It's the part where this is, do I need that at all? I'm just going to comment it out. Command C, Command V, text align, right. Received message flex. Because those aren't flex boxes anymore, so it seems to me. Now, I'm just going to tell you, I wasn't feeling good about my left and my right. I was just guessing. Who sent it? I hate you. Okay, I can't spend any more time on this because I'm losing my audience. That's beautiful. Who sent it? So what I'm going to do is keep that here, keep that here. If I thought about it, I'm sure I would get it. Sure, I would get it. I'm just, but you see what I'm doing. And I'm done now. I'm not really still doing it. Okay, I get it now. All I need to do is move the picture to the other side. So, yeah, I'm totally done doing it. I'm totally not doing this. Command X, Command V, image, 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 Command X, Command V. Of course I have to do that. Why didn't I think of that sooner? Oh, come on, refresh. Loser. Refresh. Oh, don't start doing something crazy on me now. Control C. Okay. Nick. Loki. Beautiful. That's going to have to work. Okay, that bug is bashed. If you guys happen to clone my repo and do stuff, do it better than that. And then delete extra files. Oh, we do need to check one thing. Does this scroll when we get to the top? And yeah, you can see that this is scrollable. But my scroll is up is down and down is up. Perfect. Awesome. Okay, and then delete extra files. What are the extra files? Get this. Delete the bug files. Are you sure you want to delete item bugs? Move it to trash. There is one more file I want to delete, but it's over here. We don't need this one. Delete. Move it to trash. Okay, Command S. Unbeknownst to you, but knownst to me, Control C, I created an official Git repo for the Chatvatar service. Did I ever tell you that? Because I thought you guys wouldn't want to see it. You guys wouldn't want to see me make it. You'd want to have it, I hope. But I didn't feel like we needed to do that. Git commit -m bashed. Git commit-m bashed. I think I need a space right here. Bam. Git checkout master. Git merge bug bash. Git push origin master. Did you mean push? What did I say? Yes. Git push origin master. And let's, oh, come on, again. Oh. And let's go to this one. Control C. Git add dot. Git commit -m bashed. Git commit -m bashed. Git checkout master. You switch to master. Git merge bug bash. Git push origin master. Okay, so that took a while. Only one thing left to do, and that is to deploy this. I hope when you guys clone this, you and if you make it yours, I want you to refactor it, make it shorter, make the names better. Do what you got to do. You can make it look totally different. And I won't be, if you say, hey, that dumb thing you did, I made it smart. I will high five you, digitally. All right, well, that's it until we deploy on Heroku. Thanks.